Good morning, dear everybody. It is a miserable, pissy day today. And I mean pissy. It looks like it's going to rain, but I have to go out. So, anyways, that's what jackets were made for. And that's what our sweaters are made for. But, I still don't want to go out, but I have to. Bills gotta be paid, And hopefully maybe I won't get caught. Caught in the rain. Oh well. Anyways, we're going out to the bank. I pay my bills online. I don't like facing people. I'm not a people eater. And why don't you say that right to their face? See? She said, yeah. Out there, she's wearing the purple, and she says, I'm a purple people eater? I don't think so. Anyways, we gotta go out. Hopefully we're not out long, but you can never tell. Anyways, might be a little wet when I get back behind the ears. So maybe I might just get an umbrella. So a cheap one from Dollarama. I had one from Dollarama before. It lasted me
until you got to Toronto.
Until I got to Toronto. That's a good point. I bought it here.
Threw it out there.
And I threw it out there because the winds in Toronto are massive. And I mean, it picked up that umbrella and it bent it. The poor little thing. I had to throw it out there. So, that's alright. A year without an umbrella. Last year there was hardly any rain. This year there's fucking rain.
Well, April it was supposed to rain, but April we still had snow.
So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna let you go. I'll talk to you again.